What is Global
Village!
Village?
We're going there now.
We're going to...
No. We're going to Global Village. And we're going to go inside.
We're going around the world at
Global Village. Guys, there's a lot of food selection. What should we choose?
In Global Village. There are many places we can eat, and we chose to eat at Chin Chin, a Chinese restaurant.
And we had a nice fun here.
Look, China's in front of us.
Ano, Blaze? Start na naman, Blaze. What?
It's cold.
Yes. You wanna go there? Mommy and Daddy. Hungry. Hi. Hi, Benz. Benz. So we're going.
We're going to China.
What you will do there?
China's very big, so maybe it's gonna be bigger than most of the country curriculums. See some
Okay. Go.
That's very It's really popular.
You wanna go to roller coaster? Later, let's see. Benz, you're tired? Huh? Tiny? What? Which one?
Just want my ice cream.
Doon tayo mananalo sa baril ni Daddy. Hanak tayo ng baril.
Wait, get it. I'm scared. I'm scared. Suddenly I'm scared.
Wow. Wow. Funny never been here. Oh, look.
It will not gonna move fast.
Hey, what you doing?
Look at the hook. Look, Mom, take a picture of that. Look at that.
Please.
Okay. Look at here, guys. You take a picture. I think you should be here. I should be there. Kuya, move here, ate. Kuya, move ka doon. Wait na. Okay. Kuya. Okay. Be careful. Kuya, dito ka sa kabila.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Nice way to survive.
Is it nice on top?
Yeah.
Kid, mine is.
I like it because
Like it doesn't look like it's scary. Just going up the jumping one. Yeah, like
Not that
bungee
scary.
jumping. That's very not long. It does long.
I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Children.
Can you see that one? Where is Daddy?
I don't see them. Oh my god.
We're always on.
Whoa. I keep on kind of.
So much golden eyes.
What?
What?
Stop.
We're on top, guys.
What is it?
Wow, so golden.
Yeah, it's like a gold.
Like we're in a palace.
We are a palace.
It's like half of it is really colorful and half of it is golden.
Oh my god. This is orange and yellow, I think. Orange and
And
yellow.
all the countries here is one.
Hey, what you doing?
Not all the countries,
You have to say hey.
but most countries.
Oh my god, I see the jumping spider. It's like a spider. Ma, that looks like the spider jumping. It looks like the rainbow spider with orange and yellow spider.
Dance. Hailey.
We wonder how feet.
Come.
Laki ng Christmas
Just
tree.
gonna sit with my brother here. It's my brother.
Who's your brother? What's his name?
Tommy. Tommy. He's Tommy. Tommy's my brother. He's a bear.
Look at here.
Wow! Tommy's here, Tommy.
Ma! Ayan tayo. Where are we?
We're at the fiesta.
The festival.
Yeah.
Christmas.
What can you see here?
So many Christmas related things like
Look, tree.
big gifts, big tree. Markets. There are markets and ornaments.
Benz. Benz.
Would you like to order Would you like to order some hot chocolate? Would you like to order some hot chocolate? Yes, I would like to order some cup of tea. I mean, no.
Yan, ma.
Abu Dhabi.
What's it?
We bought a bell and it's really big. That's chocolate. Made of chocolate.
We ate the chocolate. We stole some.
Oh, kaya ka bungi.
It's really good.
What's that? A bell chocolate?
It's a bell. It's a bell. I think. Yeah, it's a
What
big.
is
It's
it?
a big bell. It's a really big bell.
You can eat
They
it.
said that it can
Wow, what's this?
chocolate.
Can I bet?
Taste test?
Yeah, the taste chocolate. It's dark chocolate.
Hot?
Dark chocolate syrup.
Galing.
Tiny Benz.
Can you stretch my back?
floating market. Oh, harap tayo, harap.
Guys. Benz. Benz. Benz.
See this Virgo? Can't wait for Christmas.
What?
Can't wait for Christmas.
Why?
Because we get to celebrate and we have to get so many gifts. So we can
Do you have so many gifts?
chocolate. I think we already received some gifts already. And Mama says that we're gonna receive a lot of money on Christmas.
What?
Mama says we're gonna receive a lot of good money on Christmas.
Money? From whom?
Our tita, our ninas, tinos, titas.
I'm super lucky because I got $200. I'm richer than.
Hi guys! We had a really fun day here at Global Village and
Global Village?
Yeah, Global Village.
I thought it was Snowball Village.
Well, we're looking forward to more adventures with you guys. See you next time.
But we bought a Bella's chocolate.
Bye. Bye.
See you guys later. You like a cup of tea?
What?